Hey guys, name's T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2020 Yamaha 242 Limited SE. It's got the slate blue hull bottom, white hull side, slate blue tower. Nice large Bimini, of course. On back to the back here, you got nice cushions in the back. Wet sound stereo system. A Fusion transfer remote, freshwater shower. Show you a little bit on the inside here. Nice wraparound seating through the back. Removable center cushion so you don't have to step on your cushion getting in and out of the boat. A swivel co-captain's chair. Snap-in SeaDeck flooring. Of course, you got the tower's huge on this guy. And this is like a sunroof here, unzips. Take a step inside, you got nice center ski storage there. Got a large 12-inch panoramic screen. Phone holder on the right there. Of course, this is a twin engine boat, so twin fly-by-wire throttles. Very good boat for the money. Performs phenomenal. Of course, a Yamaha product, so it's very reliable. Got a nice large bow area. Again, 2 wet sound speakers in the front, 2 in the back with a 10-inch sub. And again, this is the 2020 Yamaha 242 Limited SE, slate blue and white. If you'd like some more information, give us a call, 864-236-9005, located in upstate South Carolina. Have a great day.